Hi everyone! In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up the basic settings in SHOPLINE. Let's navigate to the bottom left sidebar. Click Settings. Then, click Basic Settings. Beside the shop logo, click Add Images. Select your logo file and click Open. Your logo has now been uploaded. Next, you can key in your store name. You can also edit the store contact person email address and customer service email address. Once you are done editing, you can scroll down to the bottom and click Update on the bottom right. Your basic settings have been updated successfully.